Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's take a quick look at the headlines. President Draupadi Murmu inaugurates Festival of Libraries 2023, says National Virtual Library of India is being developed to fulfill the vision of One Nation, One Digital Library. Prime Minister Narendra Modi says his government's priority is to provide better health facilities to poor people. Deputy Chief Minister in charge Home Preston Tensong says government is awaiting response from HNLC to initiate second round of peace talks. And Catholic Association of Shillong takes out rally in Shillong demanding restoration of peace in trouble-torn Manipur, decides to write to President of India seeking her intervention. And now for the news in detail. President Draupadi Murmu has inaugurated the Festival of Libraries 2023 at Prakati Maidan in New Delhi. The two-day festival, which is being organized by the Ministry of Culture, will highlight iconic libraries from across the world to initiate a conversation on the modernization and digitization of libraries in India. Speaking on the occasion, President Murmu said the development of libraries is linked to the development of society and culture.
ये सभ्यताओं और संस्कृतियों की उन्नति का पैमाना भी हेतु होता है। आज़ादी का अमृत महोत्सव मनाने तथा अमृत काल में भारत को विकसित राष्ट्र बनाने के प्रयासों में कल्चर ऑफ रीडिंग यानी स्वाध्यायों की संस्कृति को प्रोत्साहित करने का ये प्रयास बहुत उपयोगी सिद्ध होगी।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that it is a priority of his government to provide better health facilities to poor brothers and sisters across the country. Modi has said that it is a priority of his government to provide better health facilities to poor brothers and sisters. Responding to a tweet by Union Health Minister, Modi expressed satisfaction 2 crores of people are getting full benefits from digital facilities of health. Deputy Chief Minister in charge Home Preston Tensong has said that the state government is ready to hold the second round of formal talks with the proscribed Henyotrep National Liberation Council. Talking to reporters on Friday, Tensong maintained that the government was awaiting response from the outfit for the second round of talks.
They need to respond it, and the first formal talk has already happened where all the issues has been discussed. So now we are waiting again for the next meeting. Government is dedicated, both central and state government. So now the ball is with the HNLC court. They need to respond it, and the first formal talk has already happened where all the issues has been discussed. So now we are waiting again for the next meeting. From the government side, we are ready, but we leave it ultimately to the decision to be taken by the leaders of the organization.
The state government cannot deploy its police forces in trouble-torn Block 1 since it falls under the administrative control of Assam. This was stated by Deputy Chief Minister in charge Home Preston Tensong in Shillong on Friday. People from West Giant Hills, including NGOs, have been demanding the state government to provide adequate security to the people residing in Block 1 due to alleged harassment perpetrated by a Karbi militant group.
Where any person who does not happen. Block 1 is under the administrative control of Assam. How can we deploy police, Meghalaya police to Assam? At best, what we can do is our Chief Minister will talk to the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, that's it.
The Catholic Association of Shillong, affiliated to All India Catholic Union, has decided to petition the President of India on Manipur violence after a peace rally in the city held today. The silent peace rally was organized to condemn the inhuman treatment of women in Manipur, besides seeking return of normalcy in that state. Thousands of people, including youths and students, holding placards, participated in the rally, which commenced from Madan Yorenghep Light Umkra near Fire Brigade. The rally was addressed by J.A. Lingdo, President of the Catholic Association of Shillong, and Reverend Edwin H. Kharkangor, Secretary KJCLF. Both called for an early end to the ongoing ethnic violence in Manipur.
As the Catholic Association of the Shillong Diocese, we have been able to organize this peace rally. And this is specific purposely for the people who are in Manipur because of that incident that has happened.
So in this rally, we want to share, we want to show to the people of Manipur and also to others, especially the people in authority who has their responsibility and who should take their responsibility in whatever way they have to take to end this violence.
Deputy Chief Minister in charge Home Department Preston Tinsong on Friday informed that he has instructed the police to track those behind the social media page Legal Rights Observatory. It may be mentioned that on July 24th, a group of men thrashed a shopkeeper, Hassan, and devotees at Mahadev Khola temple, but the incident was not communal in nature, police have maintained. However, the LRO in a tweet accused the Khasi Students' Union of being behind the attack. Tinsong added that police are on the job to track down those responsible behind the social media page.
At best, what we can do is, when I go all the detail, I found out that, in fact, it was only the small misunderstanding, and it has got nothing to do religiously. It has got nothing to do with any particular religion. But you see, in the social media, I have seen it. They add up, and one so-called organization LRO, lot of comments they made. And now I've given the instruction to the police department, track these people. Who are these people? I've seen the comment they made so much, which I personally feel, these people, they are not at all a true residents of India. If they are, they cannot just give such an irresponsible statement.
As a part of celebration of the second year of 75th years of India's independence under the umbrella program Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, the Northeastern Council is conducting various activities. As a part of it, the NEC Invitational Football Tournament got underway today at Polo Ground, Shillong. The tournament was formally inaugurated by the Secretary of NEC, K. Moses Chalai. The tournament, which will culminate on August 15, will witness participation of 9 teams.
Exciting and very, very historical times that the country is going through this 75 years of our independence. And therefore, this 1 year celebration has been very important, and it's going to culminate by 15th of this month. Therefore, we are, as I said, we are living in historical times, and to commemorate and to remind ourselves and to recall all that sacrifices have been, who and our countrymen, our forefathers, who have done so much to give us this precious, very, very precious freedom. We are celebrating this.
And now let's take a look at the weather. The maximum temperature recorded was 24.6 degrees Celsius, while minimum temperature 17.9 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 87%, in the evening was 75%. Rainfall recorded 1.9 millimeters. Forecast: moderate rain is very likely to occur at many places. Before we wind up, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. President Draupadi Murmu inaugurates Festival of Libraries 2023, says National Virtual Library of India is being developed to fulfill the vision of One Nation, One Digital Library. Prime Minister Narendra Modi says his government's priority is to provide better health facilities to poor people. Deputy Chief Minister in charge Home Preston Kinsong says government is awaiting response from HNLC to initiate second round of peace talks. And Catholic Association of Shillong takes out rally in Shillong demanding restoration of peace in trouble-torn Manipur, decides to write to President of India seeking her intervention. Well, viewers, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Until we meet again tomorrow, same time, same channel, it's good night.